me being 6'6", it don't matter because up to the peak up here is about 10 foot tall. So you can actually stand up here, walk around without bending over. If you got your beds up here, you can sit up straight and down in bed, read your books without bending your neck, breaking your neck. So it's very usable space. This is very livable space. Okay. So again, we can wall that off on that side and privatize it if you want us to. Like we got this one walled off. Just let us know how you want us to do it and we can accommodate that. And let me come over this way real quick. And again, it just kind of brings back, you know, being young, going out in the woods, building you a fort, you know what I mean? Except this is a handcrafted Amish built cabin that you can actually live in. And a lot of people ask us, hey, you know, are people using these as a 2 or 3 season cabin, or do people live in these full time? Absolutely. We got people living in these full time, y'all. Again, just because it's a wood cabin don't mean you can't. There's all kinds of things you can do to this cabin to make it a 4-season home. So keep that in mind. We got cabins, these cabins placed in Michigan, Vermont, Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, where else? Everywhere. I mean, we've placed these wooden cabins in upwards of 41 states now, I think, is what the Amish was telling me, because they were selling them into different states before they met me, and then we've kind of doubled down since then. So we've got these placed all over the country, but remember, depending on where you're located, certain accommodations need to be done so that these cabins can be made to meet code and make sure that they're 4-season and so on and so forth. So always make sure you do your due diligence, talk to your county zoning and planning, ask them what is required, so when you call us, we can make sure when we build your cabin, we can accommodate those local county codes if need be, okay? Always get with your county. Again, beautiful cabins, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Big Bertha 1.0. Now, when we first came out with this cabin, one of the requests we got the most was, hey, that's a really cool cabin and all, but we got bad knees and bad backs. And we're Gen X, we're baby boomers, right? So as cool as that cabin is, we don't want to tackle these steps because we don't have back surgery and knee surgeries and hip surgeries and all that. So we came out with a solution. Let me tell you what that solution is. So the solution we came out with was the Big Bertha 2.0. Now, the only difference between this cabin, which is the Big Bertha 1.0, and the Big Bertha 2.0 is where this wall stops right here, where you see these 2 windows, we put a door over here, okay? And we make this cabin 10 foot longer on the first floor with the door leading into a downstairs bedroom. That is why our 2.0 cabin is so popular now, because again, most of the folks calling us is getting a little older and they want a downstairs bedroom so they don't got to tackle these steps every time they want to go upstairs to relax their head. So they'll save the upstairs for the guests and the grandkids, because you know the grandkids, they love them lofts. So save the upstairs for grandkids and guests, and then the downstairs is for mama and papa, right? That way you protect your knees and your backs, and when it's time to relax, go to bed, you're on the first floor, okay? The other benefit you get from having by having that 10 foot longer Big Bertha is you also get a porch on the outside that's 10 foot longer than this one. Because remember, I told you earlier, the dimensions on this one is 14 by 32, right? But when you upgrade to a Big Bertha 2.0, your dimensions is now 14 by 42, because again, instead of it stopping right here, it goes another 10 foot this way to accommodate that downstairs bedroom. Now remember, the upstairs is still gonna stay 14 by 32 with the 2.0, but the downstairs is gonna get 10 foot longer. So again, you're getting a bigger porch and a downstairs bedroom when you order the Big Bertha 2.0, okay? So that is the big advantage there. Now remember, price point. Let's talk prices real quick. If you order this one just like you see it in the video, which is what we call a finished shell, it's $79,900. But let's say you want this one fully turnkey with electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilet sinks, and all kitchen appliances in it, stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher, mini splits, and all. This one is $110,000. Or if you want the big Bertha finished shell like this one is, it's $99,000 for the 2.0 or $130,000 fully turnkey move-in ready. That's for the big Bertha 2.0. Okay, now this is the big Bertha 3.0, which as I mentioned earlier, is folded up ready to ship to the new customer home. That one is $175,000. Now that one's a 3-bed 2-bath fully turnkey move-in ready. But that one's got, again, 3-bed 2-bath, and that one is actually a 14 by 46. So it's actually 4 foot longer than the big Bertha 2.0. Okay, so lots of options. Remember too, we can also build modern style if you want us to build more modern with the like the board and batten or ribbed metal siding with the cedar trim on the front. We can also do that as well. But again, today's focus is on the rustic cabins like the big Bertha 1.0, the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, which I showed the outside of it earlier. I've done many walkthroughs of this one as well, so if you go look at my old videos, you can see my walkthrough of this. And then of course earlier I showed you the Carrot Top Junior over that away. Okay, so again guys, don't forget to smash the like, share, and follow button if you're interested in ordering a cabin. Again, we're based out of Scottsburg, Indiana, but we ship all over the United States. This is the El Chapo 2.0, built more modern again. Again, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Get you a beautiful cabin on your land. Again, my name is OC, aka Cabin Cowboy. And yeah, we'll look forward to hearing from you. And again, don't forget to comment below where y'all are from. I'm in Scottsburg, Indiana. So I'm always curious. I'd love to know where y'all are located. Comment the city and state below. And let me know if you're a boomer, a millennial, or a Gen Xer like me. I'm a 1979 cowboy. I appreciate y'all watching my content. Again, don't forget to hit the like, share, and follow button. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for watching. Come back anytime. Y'all take care now.